how to make a custom Snapchat filter. Process itself is quite quick and easy, so let's get right into it. But before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel for more informative content like this. Let's begin. First, you want to go to your browser and search for create.snapchat.com. So something like this. And once you search for it, you can see many links right here. You want to go on this link right here where it says create your own Snapchat filter. So from here you want to tap on get started, and here you can choose different type of filters that you want to create. For example, community filter, your frames, lenses. For now I'm just going to choose the first option right here, and from here you can create geo filter or moments filter. So I'm just going to tap on the second option, and here it will show something like this. If you have already created a filter using different apps, you can directly upload it right here. But if you want to create a new one, completely new one, you can select your type, and from here you can select a moment. So let's say good morning, and from here you can customize your filter. You can choose different kind of designs. You have different options where you can add different things right here. For example, all of these things. If you tap on it and paste it to this canvas right here, you can customize it to your liking. And finally, once you're done with it, you can just tap on submit filter, and the Snapchat team will review your filter. If it's worthy for them to add it in the app or not, then if they approve, then you should be able to use your filter on the app. I hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.